Relatives of the 18 missing supporters of the National Unity Platform will have to wait a little longer for a court verdict on whether government has a case to answer regarding their disappearance. Today, the Civil Division of the High Court pushed the matter to another date to allow time for responses from the petitioners.
Of course, the same denials are repeated. On one hand, they say they are still investigating. On another hand, they say they led investigations and found that they have never been arrested by the state. So, which already shows the bias of the investigator, because these affidavits are from state police officers who led teams allegedly to investigate the disappearances of the people we are demanding. And whereas they keep on, all affidavits are saying our investigations are still ongoing. But the reason why we came to court is because we don't know the end of those investigations, and we think that government has a duty to account, and we know that these people, all of them were last seen being taken by security. So we have been given 4 days to respond to all the evidence the state has brought.
The session did not last more than 10 minutes, which upset the relatives of the missing people. Their lawyer spent time calming down the anxious ones.
We beg the government to bring our children. If they committed any crime, let us know as well.
The leader of opposition in Parliament, Joel Senyonyi, also attended today's session.
We will keep pursuing this matter politically in Parliament and elsewhere, legally in the courts of law. It's important that we don't lose sight of this issue, because you see, once you lose sight of an issue, people move on. And the people of Uganda have a tendency to move on very easily. And yet these people are saying, okay, worst case scenario, at least you give us the remains of these our loved ones. Let's bury them.
In the last court hearing, which was 2 weeks ago, government said it could not account for 11 of the 18 missing people because their disappearance was never reported to the police or any other relevant authorities. The matter has been deferred to the 3rd of May, when court will give further guidance on the hearing. Walter Mwesije, NTV.